Hi, I'm going to play Cooking Simulator. Now let's find the plot. Okay. And you collect stuff. Oh, and I already started playing, so I have a good tray. So, I have a lot of pots ready to be cooked. Ready for this to be cooked. Okay. Okay, I got this. It's a boring game, yeah, but it's just, I don't know how to explain. You have to collect you gotta collect ingredients. Okay, now they're cooking. Now you grab the cooked meals. Okay, and you go sell them. Okay, plus 1 silver. And you grab these. When you have so many pots, it's hard to fill everyone. Well, I know this video wasn't long, but to me it was a good video. Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe.